Theorem 3. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional, and hence the two triangles are similar. You have to prove. That is, the angles, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F is given. You have to prove two triangles are similar. Okay, so let first case, case number 1, AB, side AB is equal to, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to DE in the triangle DEF. So two triangles AB is equal to D in the first case. Suppose angle A is equal to angle D given, angle B is equal to angle E given, angle A is equal to D, angle B is equal to E given, and AB is equal to D. Therefore two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC and congruent triangle DEF. Therefore AB, since two triangles are congruent, then AB is equal to D and BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. AB is equal to D, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Since two triangles are congruent, therefore we can write AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Okay, so case number 2. If AB, side AB of the triangle ABC is greater than DE of the triangle DEF, then draw the two triangles AB and this is your ABC and this is your, suppose, DEF. So angle A is equal to D given. Okay, so from AB cut a point P, take a point P such that AP is equal to D, and take another point Q such that AQ is equal to DF. So join PQ. Okay, now in triangles APQ and DEF, angle A is equal to angle D, angle A is equal to angle D, and angle AB, AP is equal to DE, also DF, AQ is equal to DF, AQ is equal to DF according to construction. According to construction, AP is equal to DF and AQ is equal to DF. The angle A is equal to D given. Therefore two triangles APQ and DEF are congruent. Triangle APQ congruents DEF. So these two triangles are congruent, therefore angle E is equal to P. Therefore angle E is equal to angle P. Again angle E is equal to B given. Angle E is equal to B. Angle E is equal to angle B given. Therefore angle B is equal to angle P. Angle E is equal to angle P. Again angle E is equal to angle B. Therefore angle B is equal to angle B. Since two angles, this angle and this angle equal, and this is your transversal, AP is equal to AB is equal to transversal, therefore PQ parallel BC. Therefore PQ parallel BC. Since PQ parallel BC, therefore AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. AQ by AC. Okay. AP by AQ is equal to, or AP means D, AP by AQ is equal to D. So AP by, that is AP by BP, AP by, so AP by AB, AP by AB is equal to AQ, AQ by AC, since PQ parallel BC, therefore AP means D by AB, D by AB is equal to AQ means DF by AC, or AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Similarly we can prove that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. That is AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Okay. Case number 3. When DE greater than AB, in that case picture will be, this is your DEF and ABC will be smaller. This is your ABC. In the similar way we can prove that, in the similar way we can prove that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Proved. This is very important. Okay.